Your brand credibility is built on your visuals. In a digital world full of content, bad image quality does not just fade into the background, it makes things look less valuable, lower trust, and cost you sales. But now what if you could use AI to make every product sort, marketing asset, and achieve image look exactly like your quality? And here the Aiarty comes. Aiarty is more than just another editing tool. It's an intelligent image enhancement engine that will help you get from the photo you have to the visuals masterpiece you need. And this is what AI can do in the art world. So let's stop talking about abstract feature and focus on the real problems that Aiarty solves. Alright, the first problem is the good enough product photo that is not. For example, think about Sarah, who makes ceramic mugs by hand. Her work is really beautiful, but she takes pictures on her kitchen table with natural lighting. And the pictures are okay, but the glass looks uneven because a small shadow, and the picture is a little soft. And her mugs compete with studios that use professional photographers on Etsy and her own Shopify store. Her good enough picture sends a message in her mind that the quality is good enough. But now the Aiarty at work, Sarah sends in her best shot. Instead of having to deal with sliders by hand, she uses Aiarty one-click enhancement. The AI smartly sees the mug as the subject, and now it gets rid of small digital noise, make the fine details of her hand-painted pattern sharper, and makes the glaze looks real under perfect white light by making small changes to the color balance. And in just 30 seconds, her heartfelt homemade product looks like it was professionally photographed. And what happened? More perceived value, more clicks, and a direct boost to her online sales. Alright, the second problem is the archive assets that can be used. For example, I'm taking David, who handles marketing for a heritage brand. While planning a new campaign, he finds a decade-old photo in the company archive. On paper, it's perfect for storytelling, but in reality, it's a low-resolution scanned JPEG. Also, the image has visual compression artifacts, uneven textures, and overall quality loss from repeated saving over the time. In its current state, it simply does not meet modern marketing standards for print or digital use. But now, David opened the image in Aiarty on his desktop. Instead of trying to rebuild or heavily edit the photo, he focused on what Aiarty does the best: reducing visual artifact caused by compression and low quality scans. Aiarty intelligently smooths out blocky compression noise and digital artifacts while keeping the original structure and character of the image intact. The photo instantly looks cleaner, clear, and more consistent without altering important textures or details. Next, David uses Aiarty upscaling feature to increase the image resolution. Rather than simply enlarging the image, the software enhances clarity so the photo looks sharper and more usable at a larger size. And what was once an unusable archive image is now clean, clear, and suitable for modern use. It's perfect for website banners, social media posts, or supporting visual in a campaign, all while staying true to the original photo. Alright, now let's move to our third problem, that the nightmare of getting ready to print. So say hello to Anaya, a photographer of fine art. A customer wants to buy a large 60-inch wide canvas print of their favorite landscape photo. Anaya original high-quality file is 4000 pixel wide, which looks great on screen but only 67 dpi at the print side. This means that the print will be blurry and pixelated. And at this point, Aiarty goes from enhancement to alchemy. Anaya does not just need a bigger file, she needs a file that is smarter. She enters her picture and sets a goal for a 300 dpi print at 60 inches, which is a much higher resolution than what she originally wanted. And Aiarty rebuilds the image using its advanced upscaling engine, which can reach up to 30K resolution and 1000 dpi. Let's look at the pattern in the leaves of the trees, the soft changes in the sky at sunset, and the roughness of mountain rock. Then it synthesizes new, believable pixel data to fill in the huge gap inside. The 2S upscale might be great for doubling her file for a high-quality art book, but for this canvas, she goes too far. The file that's come out is huge with clear details, sharp edges, and no pixelation. Because Aiarty has raised the resolution to make it fit the professional print, turning a digital file into a work of art. And knowing how Aiarty does this makes it what even clear. Smart debris removal, this is not just a regular clone stamp. The AI knows what's going on around it. It can tell the difference between a skin blemish that is distracting in a portrait and a beauty mark that is unique and should be kept. It knows to get rid of sensor dust from a sky but leave the texture of stucco on a wall. Upscaling reimagined. Regular scaling, like in a basic software, uses interpolation to make images bigger, which makes them look soft and blurry. On the other hand, Aiarty uses a method based on a generative adversarial network, that is GAN, and in this one part of the AI tries to make the high resolution image and another part compress it to a database of high quality image to see how well it works. And this competition leads to an upgrade that adds elastic, believable detail. The wood grain gets finer, the weaves of the fabric become clear, and the text become easier to read. The best advice is to use 2S upscale first, then let the AI work in the best, most manageable steps, which often gives the most natural look enhancement before you move on to the 4x or 8x range for extreme needs. Now the color and tone command. Intelligence guide the tools for changing colors. You are not just moving a saturation slider without thinking. You can get rid of color cards like the yellow tint from indoor lighting, mix color more vibrant without making tint cones look unnatural, and bring back the filters from shadows or highlights the camera sensor mist like the product label in a dark corner or the cloud details in a browner sky. The effects of Aiarty is strategic for an online store. This means keeping a high quality visual brand across hundreds of products images without having to pay for each one. For a real Easter gadget, it means turning dark, blurry listing photos taken with a phone into bright, welcoming and spacious looking displays. For a vlogger or content creator, this means making sure that every image they pin, share or post is of high quality, which will increase engagement on their professional reputation. Aiarty is a great equalizer in a world where visual standards are always getting higher. It does not take the place of a good original piece of music or a creative idea. Instead, it frees that version from the chains of technical limit. It makes sure that the quality of the file never lets get down a great idea, a beautiful product or a cherished memory. And the question is no longer, can I fix this picture? You can ask Aiarty, how beautiful can I make it? No matter if you want to impress customers, preserve history, make great art or just make sure your digital presence is perfect, the first step is always the same: upload to Aiarty, not dreadfully complicated editing software. Alright, so that is for today. You can find Aiarty link in the description below. If you have any questions, query related to Aiarty or regarding this video, then definitely comment down below, and also let me in the comments which type of photo you have restored with Aiarty. I will love to know. And definitely if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now. Go and hit that red subscribe button and the like button too, and share this video with your friends who have an old photo and you want to get enhanced and get a clear 8K photo.